Hi guys, it's CJ here of YugaTech. So, the first quarter of 2025 just wrapped up. And as the title of the video suggests, we'll have a rundown of new budget wearables you can get right now. We're talking smartwatches, fitness trackers, and audio wearables, all priced under 5,000 pesos. Wearables don't launch as often as smartphones, but that doesn't mean that there's nothing new. In fact, we got a few picks here from popular brands that dropped or became available specifically in the first quarter of 2025. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. In no particular order, let's start with Huawei. They got a couple of new wearables including the HUAWEI Band 10 and the HUAWEI FreeBuds SE3. The HUAWEI Band 10 is a fitness band with a rectangular 1.47-inch AMOLED touchscreen, aluminum alloy casing, and 5 ATM water resistance. Its main highlights are sleep analysis and emotional well-being assistant on top of health tracking features like optical heart rate sensor and activity tracker. Another neat feature is its ability to make convenient GCash QR payments. In fact, all recent Huawei wearables now support this feature. For battery life, it can last up to 14 days maximum as advertised. If always-on display is enabled, it can last up to 3 days. The Huawei Band retails for 2,199 pesos. Next, we have the HUAWEI FreeBuds SE3. This pair has a half-in-ear bud design and offers up to 42 hours of playback with the charging case. On a full charge, the batteries can last up to 9 hours. Huawei also boasts that the FreeBuds SE3's fast charging providing up to 3 hours of battery life with just a 10-minute charge. Looking at its design, the case body comes in a faux leather finish with the lid in glossy plastic. Meanwhile, the earbuds have an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance. The Huawei FreeBuds SE3 sets you back 1,599 pesos. Now, we have itel, offering some of the most affordable smartwatches and notably an affordable smart ring too. For starters, there's the itel 015 Smartwatch Storm Plus, currently priced at just 749 pesos. It sports a 2.01-inch HD screen with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Health features include 24-hour heart rate monitoring and over 100 sports modes. itel claims that the watch can last up to 30 days, we're assuming its standby time, and up to 7 days on typical use. The watch supports Bluetooth calling, and it can also be used as a remote shutter for taking snaps with your smartphone. Next up is the itel 023 Smartwatch Storm Ultra, and despite the Ultra moniker, it's still insanely affordable at just 799 pesos. It's basically the same as the itel 015 but has a scratch-proof 2.0-inch HD screen and metal casing. It's also IP68 rated as well. What's interesting is that the watch comes with built-in games. They're mostly puzzle games, but hey, it can still get rid of boredom. Then there's the itel Smart Ring. It's probably the most affordable smart ring in the market right now. It just starts at 1,299 pesos, and depending on your finger size, it can go up to 1,999 pesos, which is still a relatively low price. It comes with a stainless steel finish and offers 10 ATM water resistance. Health features include activity tracking and 24-hour health monitoring for both heart rate and sleep cycles. Realme also got a couple of new wearable releases during the first quarter coming from its main and sub-brand, TechLife. There's the Realme Buds Air7, which is an in-ear wireless buds. It offers up to 52 hours of playback and up to 52 decibel active noise cancellation. With noise cancellation enabled, the earbuds can last up to 7.5 hours on a single charge. And with a 10-minute charge, Realme is claiming even longer playback at up to 10 hours, assuming noise cancellation is off. The buds are IP55 rated for dust and splash resistance, and it also offers low latency audio when gaming as fast as 45 milliseconds. The Realme Buds 7 retails for 2,999 pesos. Next is the more affordable Realme Buds T200 Lite, priced at only 1,099 pesos. It's also an in-ear buds, but without the active noise cancellation. It does offer dual mic call noise cancellation, which is a pretty common feature in low-end TWS earbuds. The earbuds provide up to 48 hours of playback with the charging case. On a single charge, the earbuds can last up to 6 hours. A 10-minute charge leads up to 5 hours of playback. And for protection, the pair or buds get an IPX4 water resistance rating. If you want an affordable over-the-ear headphones, then the new Realme TechLife Studio H1 is among your options. It features up to 43 decibels of active noise cancellation and up to 70 hours of total playback time as advertised. A 10-minute charge provides up to 10 hours of playback. The headphones also support dual device connection, which means it can connect to 2 devices simultaneously. The Realme TechLife Studio H1 is priced at 3,299 pesos. Lastly, we have new Xiaomi wearables for both the main and Redmi line. We have the Xiaomi Smart Brand 9 Pro that starts at 3,799 pesos and up to 4,299 pesos for the cream white leather version. It has a 1.74-inch display with 2.5D cover glass and aluminum alloy casing. For health tracking features, it has blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring. There's also 150 sports modes along with built-in GNSS positioning and compass. Battery-wise, it can last up to 21 hours of runtime on typical use. And if you want the Redmi Watch 5, just add 300 pesos on the budget and you'll get more features like a built-in voice recorder and a speaker that users can use for music playback. It has a 2.07-inch AMOLED touchscreen, a stainless steel casing, and 580 water resistance. The watch offers up to 24 days of battery life. As for health tracking features, it has heart rate, sleep, and stress monitoring. The Redmi Watch 5 retails for 5,299 pesos. Speaking of audio, we have the Redmi Buds 6 Pro next. It has an in-ear bud design offering 55 decibel of active noise cancellation. For battery life, it has up to 36 hours of playback with the charging case and 9.5 hours with the earbuds on a single charge. A 5-minute charge provides up to 2 hours of playback. It also gets an IP55 dust and water resistance. There's even some neat additions like a light strip as a battery indicator, the ability to find the earbuds with its sound locator feature, and dual connection, which means it can connect to 2 devices simultaneously. The Redmi Buds 6 Pro sets you back 3,499 pesos. Last but not the least is the more affordable sibling, the Redmi Buds 6. It's also using in-ear buds design but with a different case design. The buds offer 49 decibels of active noise cancellation and has IP54 dust and water resistance. With the charging case, it can last up to 42 hours and up to 10 hours on a single charge with the earbuds. A 10-minute charge will provide up to 4 hours of runtime. And just like its Pro sibling, it features a light strip battery indicator and dual connection. All of this for a total of 1,999 pesos. And that wraps up the list. This lineup of budget-friendly wearables that prove you don't need to spend big to stay connected, fit, and entertained in 2025. Whether you're after long battery life, health tracking, or something stylish to pair with your phone, there's definitely something here for you under 5,000 pesos. If we missed anything, make sure to drop them in the comments below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on the socials and check out youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!